Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, so when it comes to sort of how we classify these diseases, it really comes down to just a couple of things. So it comes down to the number of people it impacts and the length of time. Okay, and when we're looking at this, if it's a sort of slightly elevated number of people, so like slightly more than what you would see. And what this means is you sort of anticipate that at any given time, some fraction of people are sick, right? With, say, the flu. But if all of a sudden you see twice that typical number, then you know that something's happening, right? And so this is sort of all at once. So it'll last for a short period of time. It's sort of like, wow, this week this happened, okay? And so this is going to be your epidemic. Okay, and then this next one also happens over a short period of time, but instead of being isolated to like a city, it's going to be worldwide, right? So it's going to be sort of everywhere. So these are your pandemics, which makes sense because pan means all, so it's like all over, or all the people have it. Okay, and then we get to the endemic. Okay, and what is the endemic? Well, this one has just a few people are impacted, right? Except the difference is that it occurs over a long period of time. So it's sort of is like a persisting disease. Okay. And then we also have in our sort of list of choices here, it does talk about an emerging disease, right? And so that sort of is classified slightly differently than these other three. So this is going to depend on has it been seen before, right? So have we seen it before? Okay, and if the answer is no, then you get emerging. Okay, and if you can answer yes to this question, then you get the re-emerging. Okay, so that's how you classify those two. And so just once we sort of lay out what all these terms mean, then it's quite clear that choice C states that an endemic happens in a large number of people, but that's just not true. It's the epidemic and pandemic that happen in larger numbers of people. So C is the false statement.